opportunities across this country. Itume is there. Ayo is there. Let us do it. We can do it. We are educated enough. We are courageous enough. We are great people. What's left is patriotism. The country is ours. My discussion today is to inspire you to vote. Vote first. Recruit many people so that the promise of today can be a reality tomorrow. That's all. And it's only that strong determination, perseverance, and consistency that we can build a national edifice that we call a nation, that we can bring prosperity to Nigeria. We promise you, we will bring prosperity. We will fulfill your dreams. Hope is back here.
Àjíṣe bí Ọ̀yọ́ là á rí, Ọ̀yọ́ ò ní ṣe bí bàbá ẹnì kọ̀ọ̀kan.